What's up, guys? I'm Devin Rudiger, and this is how to get rid of the hiccups. So, the first thing you need is to pour a glass of milk. And then, the second thing is take your teaspoon that you have. Well, get a teaspoon. And then, I have the hiccups right now myself, so I just thought of it. So, then you get about 2 teaspoons, maybe 3 of sugar, and then you mix it in. It doesn't work all the time, but it works a lot. Well, it works a lot for me. I don't know about you. If you don't like sugar, this isn't something you want to do. And after one of your hiccups, like right after you start guzzling it down, like chugging. So, oh, here we go. Excuse me. Sorry about that. But there you have it. It's over. Peace.